So here you go. Just walking down the street and came across this. I am not sure what this is. I've actually not seen this before. First, kind of thought it was coconuts, but obviously looks more like a jackfruit or a durian. Um, I don't know. What do you think? Has anybody had this before? Have you seen it before? If so, do me a favor. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a message. Let me know what this is. Should I try it? Should I not try it? What do you think? So anyhow, again, don't know what it is. I don't think I'll try it. But if you do know what it is, please leave me a message. Let me know what it is. Let me know what it tastes like. If I should come back here and try it, just let me know.